I hope everyone's doing well. I'm Mr. Rich. Thank you for joining me for this video where we're looking at this. How can we synthesize 3-bromoaniline from aniline? What is aniline? We're starting here with an amino group on benzene. This right here is aniline. We write it as A-N-I-L-I-N-E. But your technical name is benzene amine because you have a benzene within amine group. Benzene amine or aniline, we're converting this into 3-bromoaniline. And how would we do that conversion? And this is what we're looking here at. Bromine right over here. 3-bromoaniline, or you can also call it 3-bromobenzene amine. This here is position 1, this is position 2, this here is position 3. Keep in mind this right here is a very strong ortho para director. If I were to take this compound and just do bromination of it, FeBr3, and you wouldn't even have to use FeBr3 because it's so activating, you can just do bromine in the presence of water. You don't even need a catalyst. You would end up seeing multiple bromination occur, but they will not give you your desired product because this amino group does ortho para directing. You'd have bromine over here, you'd have bromine over here, and you'd have bromine over here. And it's not what you want. What you want is that. So what could you do? Well, what if we were to block something with reversible sulfonation? What if I were to sulfonate this? Let's say H2SO4 and then SO3, and then I do NH2, and I'm getting here a sulfonic acid right here, SO3H. Now I have a sulfonic benzene with an amino group, but this is not what I want. And now if you were to brominate it, Br2, you can do a catalyst or you can do water. It's still quite activating. Now you're still not getting your desired product. You'll have bromine add over here. You may even have another bromine add over here, and you'd have your sulfonic group over here, which you can easily remove and get rid of. But you're getting two bromines. What we want here is a bromine and a meta. What do we know about a certain compound that's a meta director? It's nitro, the nitro group. If we can get a nitro group and we brominate the benzene, we'll get exactly what we want. Then we just have to convert it back into our amino group. So what are we saying over here is our synthetic route? It's not hard. Let's show it to you. We're looking over here at this, starting from here to get over there. What I want to do is oxidize this. What am I going to oxidize this with? This. Look at this compound. Trifluoroperoxyacetic acid, to be not confused with acetic acid. Look, here's your carboxyl group, which is COOH, but here's my peroxy carboxyl group, it's COOH. There's a difference, there's an extra oxygen, hence it's an oxidizing agent. It's not your typical carboxylic group, it's a carboxylic group with an extra oxygen, so it's an oxidizing agent. It will convert this into a nitro group, nitro, and that's what we have, nitrobenzene. We've gone from amino benzene or benzene amine to nitrobenzene. Now when I brominate it, and keep in mind this is a meta director and it's weak, meaning it's deactivator, so you have to use a catalyst, FeBr3, Lewis acid, and now we will get nitrobenzene with our bromine group, add in the meta position right here. We've ended up here with 3-bromo-nitrobenzene. The only one single step which remains to get to our desired product, I'm removing this because we have to take another route, and this is the route, is we have to reduce it. We oxidized it, now we have to reduce it. Here's our oxidizing agent, trifluoroperoxyacetic acid. My reducing agent is what? It could be a bunch of items, hydrogen and palladium catalyst, or you can even do zinc in the presence of mercury, and you can do HCl. These are your good reducing agents. It will convert the nitro back to your amino group, and that right there will be your end result. We started here with something which is an ortho para director. We made it into a meta director, which is your nitro group. We did our reaction, then we take it back by means of reduction. This was my reduction step, this here was my oxidizing step, and we go to our desired end result. Aniline or benzene amine to 3-bromo-benzene amine or 3-bromoaniline by means of a oxidation reaction to a nitro group, and then a bromination, and then a reduction reaction back to our amino group, converting the nitro to our amino group. And that's the route you would take, and this would be a successful route, and we are done. Thank you for watching.